Hey there, folks. If you're living in Canada and need to send money to someone in the USA, you're in the right spot. With 2025 bringing new updates to financial tech, it's easier than ever, but you want to do it smartly to avoid fees and headaches. In this video, we'll break down the top methods step by step, so you can get your money across the border quickly and securely. First off, why send money from Canada to the USA? Maybe you're supporting family, paying for goods, or handling investments. Whatever the reason, the key is choosing the right method. In 2025, popular options include online services like Wise and Revolut, which offer low fees and fast transfers. Traditional banks like RBC or TD are still an option, but they often come with higher costs. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Compare providers. Check out Wise for its competitive exchange rates or PayPal for quick digital transfers. Make sure to look at current 2025 regulations, like the updated anti-fraud measures that make transactions safer. Step 2. Sign up and verify. Most services require you to create an account, link your Canadian bank, and verify your identity. This usually takes just a few minutes and helps prevent any delays. Step 3. Enter the details. Input the amount, the recipient's U.S. bank info, and select your payment method. Remember, in 2025, many services use real-time exchange rates, so try to send during favorable market times to save money. Step 4. Confirm and send. Double-check everything for accuracy. Errors can lead to holds or fees. Once sent, you'll get a confirmation, and the money typically arrives in 1 to 3 business days. Now, a few tips to keep in mind. Always watch out for exchange rate fluctuations. Tools like Z.com can help you track them. Minimize fees by avoiding banks if possible. Online services are often cheaper. And for security, use two-factor authentication and never share sensitive info via email. There you have it. Sending money from Canada to the USA in 2025 doesn't have to be complicated. Try out these methods, and you'll be a pro in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.